Hello everyone. How are you all? Fine. Okay, so let's start the session. Are you excited? Yes, sir. Really? Yes, sir. How the Joes? Yes, sir. How the Joes? Yes, sir. Hello everyone. You're watching this video on our YouTube channel, Persona Institute for English. I'm Ajay Singh Rajput, and with me, these are the extraordinary students. And I'm going to give them a very interesting topic to discuss today. I will just know their views. Okay, this is not a discussion, it's a simple talk show. I will ask you a question based on the topic and you simply have to answer them. Got it? Yes. Don't think about your mistakes because you are sitting in Persona Institute. And here we completely allow you to make mistake. Okay? You are free to make mistake. Don't think about your mistakes, just speak confidently. So are you ready everyone? Yes. Okay, so the topic, the questions that I'm going to ask you is it good to be honest with it is good to be honest with dishonest people? Do you really think that honesty is the best policy, or we need to be dishonest with dishonest person and we need to be honest with only honest person? What do you think? What do you think? We live in the society where we find all sorts of people. Some are honest, some are dishonest, right? If you are being cheated by someone and still you are honest with them, still you are honest with him, is it good? Let's know the opinion of the students from ma'am. We start. What do you think? Do you really think that honesty is the best policy? What do you think?
Yes, sir. I personally think honesty is the best policy, and I believe in this. For living life, we must have some principles. Yeah. And my principle is to live life honestly. Whatever the consequences are there, but I don't think about those things. I believe in honesty, sir.
You believe in honesty?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You believe in honesty. That's good. Okay, my questions to you. Yes. What do you think?
Sir, I think that we should live Yes. Sir, I think that we should live honestly with a dishonest person, sir. Because if the person is very dishonest, so sir, we should do tit for tat. Sir, if we will do so, he will also become one honest people, sir.
Okay. Now my questions to you. Now, don't you think that when we are honest with dishonest people, they may again cheat us?
Sir, they will cheat, but very fastly they will be one honest people, sir.
Very fastly they will be honest. They will be honest.
Yes, sir.
Means with the help of honesty, we can change their mindset, we can change their attitude. This small kid is saying that we need to be honest even with dishonest. We can change their mindset. Is it right? What do you think, brother?
Yeah, honesty is the best policy, but sometimes we should not be honest because people are taking advantage of our honest. I read one story. There was a donkey and dog. They live with their owner. Yeah. But one evening, one thief was come at their house and donkey started telling to dog, why are you not barking?
Okay.
And then he said, you should mind your own business. And donkey tried to honest to his owner, and he started shouting, but his owner became angry to him and started beating him.
Yeah. So what do we learn from this story?
So sometimes we should not be honest. We should mind our own business.
Okay. Now he is telling that in the story the donkey was beaten by the master, right? Although the donkey was honest with the master, but still he was beaten. Right? So that is a good point that he has given, that sometimes our dishonesty, sometimes our honesty cause trouble for us. What do you think?
Sir, I think honesty is the best policy.
Yeah.
We just take the like a person with honest. They are just trustworthy to us, and just we live a very honest life to us, and with fairness, and they just trust with all type of things they do, and just think about that. So I just say honesty is the best policy.
Honesty is the best policy, but if someone is dishonest with you, do you really think that we need to be honest with them too?
But sir, God is watching all of us. So like honesty with they are dishonest with us, but like just we can say that the karma. So like karma just bring in.
Actually, your karma turns on you. That is why. Yes. Yeah. What do you think, Pooja?
Sir, I think that honesty is the best policy. when we are honest, then our intentions are very good, and other people doesn't think that we are not honest. And other people's, we don't think that other people's what they do with us. They what will they do when all are dying? One day all are dying. Then the God will give
them punishment.
Give them punishment. Yes.
Okay, so you believe that honesty is the best policy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's know his opinion. Vivek, what do you think, brother? Yeah.
Sir, I can say, sir, honesty is the best policy. Sir, I saw some dishonest people,
Yeah.
and he cheating honest people,
Yes.
and he became very wealthy through dishonest.
Yes.
And sir, dishonest person all time happy. But I saw honest people anytime unhappy.
Okay.
So sir, honesty is the best policy.
You are saying that honest people are suffered and dishonest people live happily.
Yes, sir.
But still we need to be honest. Why? Let's know other opinion. Yeah, what do you think?
Sir, according to me,
Yeah.
sir, nowadays people are dishonest. So
Yes.
I also will be dishonest. I believe in tit for tat.
Okay, she believes in the policy of tit for tat. If one is dishonest with you, there is nothing wrong to be dishonest with them.
Yes.
That is Neha's principles.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Let's know his opinion. What do you think?
Sir, I also think that honesty is the best policy, but sometimes we face this situation that where we do not need to be honest,
Yeah.
because we know our many friends, they cheat with us and they dishonest with us. So if we honest with them na, so they can also make fun of us, and they make our they increase their I don't think so that the honesty is the best policy, but sometimes honesty is the best policy.
Sometimes honesty is the best policy. Chali, that's very good. Now who is going to say? Yes. You are looking very excited to speak. Yes.
Sir, I think honesty is the best policy.
Yeah.
If we honest, people attract with us.
Okay, if we are honest,
And
people
you
are
are-
attracted with us. Yes.
If you dishonest, you can earn more and more. But after
You can't live happily.
No, you will lose everything what you
earned. Yes. When we are dishonest, we lose everything, whatever we have earned. Ma'am, I will ask you after her. Yes. What do you think?
Sir, I think so. We should honest with only those people who are. We should honesty only those people who are honest.
Yeah.
If the person is dishonest, so we should do dishonesty with her. Otherwise, they will take advantage of us.
Okay. Chali, that's also the good point. Okay, now let's know the opinion of Ayushi and you. Yes.
If we know we are true, we are honest, so everything is fine one day.
If we are honest, then everything will be fine.
One day.
Later on, in the end, everything will be fine. And the movie, we have seen that the honest people, in the end, they get justice. But in the real life, do you think that it happens? Let's know ma'am's opinion. Ma'am, what do you think?
Sir, I believe in honesty because I think that honesty is the real nature of a human being.
Okay.
And dishonesty is not real. It is artificial. And artificial things are needed to be decorated. And it makes our mind and life complicated. And the things which are real, which are our own nature, so that will not need any extra effort. So I think we should go
But
with
we see many people, ma'am, in this world, there are many dishonest people. They cheat people, they murder people, they kill people. But still they are living happily.
because they are choosing their life themselves. They like to live like that, but we do not go to their way, and we will not make our life like them, because that is their choice to live like that, and my choice is to live with honesty, sir.
Your choice is to live your life with honesty. So do you think that everyone, is it our choices that makes our life? It's up to us whether we want to be honest or dishonest. It's up to us, right? What do you think? Honesty is the best policy or not, according to you?
Sir, I think honesty is best policy, because if we are honest with other ones, so and other one is cheating with us as a dishonest person.
Yeah.
So the God give us justice. In the our persona's file there was a story milkman, the dishonest milkman, but
Yeah.
in there was no honest person. The Lord, the God,
He lost everything in the end of the story.
Yes, sir.
So that is a good thing. He's saying that we need to be honest because later on in the end we get everything. Chali, that's very good. Aishu, what do you think? In the last, put your views.
Sir, I think honesty is the best policy,
Okay.
because if you are doing any job,
Yeah.
so with by dishonesty, so you cannot stand.
You cannot succeed, you cannot achieve everything. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Okay. When honesty and hard work mix up, I'm going to conclude this topic. When honesty and hard work go together, everyone, those who are working hard, those who are honest, they ultimately in the end they get success. Right? So just be honest and keep working hard and see the magic. In the end you will get everything that you want. एक बार जोरदार क्लैपिंग आप सभी के लिए हो जाए, अपने लिए तालियां बजाओ.